Welcome to Blockchain video series, teaching you all about Bitcoin, what it is, how it works, and most importantly how to make money from it. A series we're looking at Bitcoin, blockchain, and cryptocurrency basics explained for beginners. If you have a desire to learn a little bit about blockchain, and its intersection with the world of finance and money, you're in the right place. If you're here to not do that, and just hang out and have a good time, I guess you still are in the right place, because we're going to have a good time.
The first key of Bitcoin Vault, also known as the user's private key, processes transactions normally after 24 hours. Let's say a transaction is happening in block 1. In the original Bitcoin protocol, this process will take 10 minutes to be added to the blockchain. For Bitcoin Vault, however, the transaction is not immediately added. Instead, it is sent to the alert section of the block. After 24 hours, when 144 blocks are added to the chain, miners will confirm the transactions from the alert section of block 1 and add these transactions to block 145. Stay tuned for our next episode, as we will explain the second key. Remember to subscribe, like, and please feel free to comment. And see you next time.